Guys, I really was not expecting to buy another eyeshadow palette for a while, and then because I just bought the Pat McGrath one, and then when I saw this I was like, hey guys, what's up? In today's video I am so excited about this unboxing. I picked up an item from the Desi x Katy collab round 2 with Dose of Colors, so I want to unbox it together. I want to try it, I want to swatch it, I want to give you my first impressions. So let's get right into it. Let's open this baby up. I already have one of the highlighters, so I'm gonna swatch that in here as well. I was so excited. Guys, I really was not expecting to buy another eyeshadow palette for a while, and then because I just bought the Pat McGrath one, and then when I saw this I was like, I had to have it, so let's open it together. Oh, I love it. I'm so glad we got a little postcard because I loved the photos for this collection. They look so amazing. Oh my god, that's so cute. You get a sheet of stickers.
So open it up, and it came with some bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, more packaging.
They really were like, this is gonna come to you in one piece. They were not playing. So here's the palette. So cute. Friendcation, rose gold. Really nice box. So I'm getting into it with a tweezer. So, ooh, it's just like the first collection. Here she is, the most beautiful palette. Look at her, doesn't she look fine? So cute. I love the metallic, and it's really textured, feels really nice. Definitely get you in that like party vacation mode. I love it. And like I mentioned, I already have one of the highlighters. Here it is. This is Fuego, and you can see that the packaging for this collection is a little bit of a deeper gold than the original. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. We already know what it looks like, so that was dramatic for no reason, but I just can't get enough of it. All right, I've been watching the videos, I've been looking at it on Instagram, just waiting to get my hands on this baby. And you guys, everybody is like raving about this blue eyeshadow, and they always talk about Katy and Desi, how it has a purple shift. And in person right now in this lighting, it looks straight up purple. And then when I show it on camera, it looks totally blue in the viewfinder. So it's gonna be a really good eyeshadow to experiment with. Today I am heading out and I will need to wear something wearable. So I really want to get into one of the eyeshadows that I feel like was the one that sold me on this. And it wasn't even the blue. It was this green right here called Dirty Money, right? Yeah, Dirty Money was the one that I was like, I need this in my life. So this is what I'm going to wear today, and I'm going to experiment with some of the matte shades. So let's get into it. I already have my eyes primed, my brows done. So first I'm going to try this sort of skin tone color right here, and I'm going to put that directly into the crease. Oh, wow, that was not a skin tone color. This is definitely a transition shade. Now I'm gonna kick that crease up an extra notch with the next brown here. This one, I'm gonna put that right in the crease. Now I'm gonna go in with the deepest brown in the palette, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna add even more depth. cut the crease a little bit. I'm gonna do a half cut crease situation, and I'm using my concealer. Today it's the Too Faced Born This Way. And then I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna cut almost 3/4 of the way in. Now it's time for the color that I'm so hyped for. Here it is, Dirty Money. I'm gonna take that on my fingertip first. I always like to apply these metallic eyeshadows this way. I'm also gonna use a brush because I really want that sharp line. And it's so interesting. It's Dirty Money. It's like a dark green undertone with gold shimmer on top. I'm gonna use the browns to deepen up my lower lash line and add some more drama. I'm gonna add liner, mascara, and lashes and meet you guys back here. I actually have to run out before I finish everything. I didn't get to put on my lashes, but I want to put on the highlighter, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to wrap up everything. We're going to do swatches. We're going to complete my first impressions. I'm going to grab Fuego, which I have not worn out. I've tried it on at home, but not with a full makeup look, so I'm super curious. Let's see. Oh my god. This is like too extra for dinner with friends right now. That's where I'm going. So I'm just gonna tap my brow bone a little bit to keep that glow going. And I'm just gonna go that far. And oh god, I can't wait to keep playing with this when I get back. But you know, I can't leave the house without highlighter. So I had to come do this real quick so I can finish getting ready. I'm gonna go right on the tip of my nose. Ah, Cupid's bow. Yes. Alright guys, I'm back. It's been 5 hours, so you can see how the eyeshadow looks, and my highlighter is still on. I figured since I didn't get a chance to put on lashes, I could do something a little more dramatic with the liner, so we can use another one of the eyeshadows, which is this black sparkly one right here, which is Game Over. So I'm gonna use that, and let's see if we can get a sparkly black liner out of it. I picked some up on an angle brush, and now I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus on it so we don't get fallout everywhere, just in case. Even though I didn't get that with the Dirty Money color, I still want to be careful. And we're just gonna follow the lash line. See, I already got a little crumbly situation happening, but I think I just picked up too much product with my brush. I'll sweep that off in a second. So I'm just gonna use that for my liner. I'm gonna move on to the lips, so I'm gonna do a kind of tweak of one of my favorite lip combos. So I'm gonna take Dose of Colors Knock on Wood, and I'm gonna put that on the outside of the lip. Next, I'm gonna put my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Nude Kate in the center. And then I'm gonna add a little lip gloss on top, even though I'm kind of feeling it like this, but I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Here's the final look. I just swatched all of the eyeshadows and I want to share my thoughts with you guys. So I really love the eye look that I came up with, and I really think that the stars of this palette are these metallic shades in here. In terms of mattes, I feel like I have used better matte eyeshadows and I have higher quality mattes in my collection. With that being said, I feel like most people will really enjoy this palette. And yeah, I love that Dirty Money color. It's such a good gold, an interesting gold. It has that like tarnished feel, which I really like, a little bit of a green hint, which I'm also really into right now. And yeah, I can't wait to play with the blue color. This rosy tone right here is really nice, and so is this champagne, which I totally forgot to swatch, so it's totally out of order. I had to put it at the end here. As far as the highlighter goes, I really like it. I think they did a really good job with this, and I'm not surprised that they brought it back again, especially now that I used it, I wore it out, and I really got to test it with a full face. It's a really good champagne color. It is so deceiving because the color looks so much darker in the pan, but when you put it on, as you can see, it's a really nice glow because the color looks darker than my skin tone in the pan, but look at that glow. It's beautiful. This is still so awkward. So like I mentioned, guys, I want to do another look with this palette on my channel, and I'm stuck between the blue or the pink, which one I want to make the focal point. So let me know which one. Send me your votes down below and I will be happy to do that for you. I have a brow tutorial coming up, so if you guys want to know how I do them, I filmed that today as well, so it will be up after this video, so stay tuned for that. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you're notified when that video goes up if you're interested, and I will leave links to everything down below if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I would love it, so I'm gonna leave that down there too, and I will catch you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.